Last week we covered the pitfalls of commercial liquid drain cleaners, but maybe you still have drain problems and are looking for a solution. Today we're going to go over our picks for the most effective and safest ways to clear a clogged drain. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Homeowner's Handbook. I'm Chad Peterman. So you have a clogged drain or a drain that keeps clogging. You know, commercial liquid drain cleaners aren't the best option, so what do? Today we have 3 recommendations and a bonus for clearing that pesky clog. First is a plastic drain clearing snake. These are great for cleaning minor clogs in your bathroom sinks and tub drains. They also come with little risk of damaging your pipes. Their limitation comes primarily from their size. If a clog is too deep, it may not reach it. This leads us to our second method, a plumbing auger. Basic augers can catch and remove deeper clogs. Just be sure and proceed with caution if you use this method. If misused, you run the risk of scratching the surface of the pipe's interior. Finally is enzymatic cleaners. These cleaners take advantage of the destructive action of enzymes to clear debris. They can be effective, but they take longer to act on the clog. For that reason, their application is primarily to keep obstructions from building up in the pipes. For this method, we recommend BioClean. Finally, a bonus. If you want to ensure the most thorough possible drain clearing, give Peterman Brothers a call. We'll get any drain flowing for only $83, and our technicians will be happy to discuss options for preventative maintenance while they're there. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in even more details, check out our blog, and come back next week for even more tips, tricks, and product spotlights from the Homeowner's Handbook.